Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Outlook where your mail lives. Sign in and wait until sync shows complete. Once done, locate the message or folder you want removed, single mail, entire conversation, or a specific folder. Make sure to pick the right mailbox if you have multiple accounts. This avoids deleting mail from the wrong profile. Then select the message preview or checkbox to start. This first action establishes exactly what will be removed and sets up the next, more precise steps. You now focus on selecting and removing the targeted items. Use Shift-click to select a continuous range or Control-click for multiple individual messages, because precise selection prevents accidental loss. Next, press the Delete key or right-click and pick Delete. Both move items to deleted items or trash depending on your setup. If you want to remove whole threads, switch to Conversation View and delete the thread. This saves time when many replies exist. Make sure to confirm which folder receives deleted emails before proceeding. To finish, permanently clear what you removed by emptying deleted items or trash. Right-click the folder and choose Empty Folder. This reclaims space immediately. If a message comes back, use Recover Deleted Items, Exchange/Office 365, within the retention window to restore it, and then correct the deletion choice. If deletions keep reappearing, make sure Mailbox Sync is healthy and inspect rules or connected devices that might be reintroducing messages. One quick rule change often resolves recurring returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.